conversations with your spouse is that
Jerry, get out.
that you do quite often without me.
Cats are playing. Let's
So,
let them
Don't you
play.
kind of feel like a hypocrite?
I really think Lauren doesn't have a right to be upset. Maybe a little thrown back, but Lauren and Miss Lisa are always making decisions without me. You know what? This time, I'm making this decision for me.
But you can
I mean, look, I know that it sounds crazy, but
Plays underneath there.
like, I really just want to.
Yeah,
Just
you
kind of
can't
seems like
see
you don't really care about Layla. You just decided that
Yeah,
you're
well, you
starting
can see
this month.
pulse.
And I just feel like the next month part is the part that we still need to really talk about.
We'll see.
I don't think that Miss Lisa and Lauren are necessarily upset that I want to have a baby. They're upset because they know I'll have more power over the baby, and they don't have as much, and it pisses them off.
The only time I get upset with mom is I have to fight for it. I should sacrifice my time with mom so you can see her too. You do spend a lot of time with her.